So folks, this is a two-half video. This half of the video, the inside of this box is a bit bare and I want something that will hold my laptop in this section. So we're going away to make a frame. I'm going to try and fit it on the back of the bike. So I'll do this all one-handed. Pick it up. So its feet in the front. Make sure that's all the way back. And then I'll get it on one-handed and then show you what it's like. That's it in place underneath. So just got to try and see if that'll do the job. Hopefully it will. There's my stickers on the back, my BMFA sticker, permission to torque sticker, 44 teeth. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with how that looks. So folks, there it is, that's the box on the bike, on the carrier. I don't know how well it's going to perform on the road yet, I'm about to find that out. The bike's away to get serviced tomorrow up in Oxford, so it's going to be sitting on the back, my laptop's going to be in it, in a bag with a few other bits and bobs, so I'm going to find out how well it does on the road. I'm going to put a couple of straps around it just to be doubly sure that it all stays in place and that all the components aren't overloaded and overstressed. So we'll see how well it performs then. So yeah, if you've liked this video, please make sure to like and subscribe below. It really helps me out with analysing how I'm doing on this, and also helps me out from YouTube's point of view as well, and actually starts promoting my material as well, which I want to do because I want you guys to watch it and enjoy it. So by all means, please like and subscribe and help us out. Thank you very much. Cheers.